Hi everybody, today we are going to Catalina Island. Our tickets here. Already at the ocean area. It's time to almost get ready to go on the boat. And right behind us is this giant cruise ship. The reason why we're going is because it's Vincent's 18th birthday. This is his present. Are you excited for Catalina? Are you excited for the island?
Yeah.
What do you think's gonna be on the island, baby?
Trees.
Trees and hills.
And they got some flyers for things to do, so we're gonna see if we can get a golf cart.
And this.
Banana. Now we're on the boat.
Hi.
So we're on the boat and we're sitting at the very top where we can see the water when it's sailing. We're starting to move. We can hear the engines going. Exciting. Ready to go.
Yes, I can buy.
Really?
Maritime Museum. And then we just passed the big Navy ship. That's the USS Battle Iowa. So when you go to Catalina Island, you might probably want to bring a card game because it can take an hour to get there. And we're playing Exploding Kittens. And so far, Soraya lost. Oh no.
It's so simple. Now put the
I'm
bump
down
card.
to one card. It's my diffuse card.
Yes. Here, no.
Oh, she got a bump card.
Yeah, just put this here so you can do something.
Oh, we have to look away.
Okay.
Hey, no grabbing cards on the box.
It's alright, it's really okay. Nothing's gonna happen if Laura even gets those cards.
Yeah.
I'm so unlucky that I got two bump cards. Kelowna won Exploding Kitten game. And we were lucky because we got to see some dolphins outside.
Oh, I'm gonna record it because too many people came.
Yeah, as soon as you said the word dolphins, tons of people got up and then we couldn't see them anymore because we blocked the windows. We arrived. We are at Catalina Island and we're getting off of the boat.
I think
Wow, she's so excited. Are you excited?
yeah.
Wow, look, and there's that building called the casino over there. That's where they play movies and stuff. This is interesting. Once you get off, one of the first things we see is that you can go on a swing.
Yeah, let's go get the rocker.
And you keep on walking to go do activities, but they want to make a pit stop to go try out those swings.
Not anywhere.
Playground, and look, there's a whale there. This is where you can rent bikes. You can rent scuba diving stuff like outfits and all the gear. Parasailing.
Really should have said we only had 4 people.
Yeah, well, I was standing off to the side so I can hide off.
Okay. Oh, look, we can go to a psychic.
Oh, wow, you
I
guys.
was gonna say, this is also because electric bike, right? But Laura.
There's like gift shops here with souvenirs. Oh, look, there's a buffalo. Want to say hi? Hey guys, there's a legend that there's a buffalo on this island. And I saw that there was a sightseeing tour where you go on adventures through the mountains to possibly go see if you can find that buffalo. But the tour was very expensive and it was $90 per person. So for our family, that would have been too much.
I want a fox shirt.
Like a fox shirt?
Oh, yeah,
Table
yeah.
with gemstones.
Sorry, don't get it.
Aw.
$8 for
Fill up a little
Rockstar.
pouch
I want to do it.
for $8. Look, it's like a Homer Simpson donut. So we did some walking around, and this is like a lot of lovely homes. Come on, Laura. Oh, cool thing on this island, a lot of people drive golf carts. 2 mermaids. Look, we're going into Bonds. It says Bonds Express, and it looks like a small grocery store.
Inhale that like Catalina air.
This is how this is how the grocery store looks like in Catalina Island. Guys, we were at the grocery store on Catalina Island and we've seen this beautiful bird. It's so cute.
Yeah, I love it. Are you okay? Are you okay? Oh Lord, you can't even talk to me.
It's
You
just
hold
resting.
this?
It's just resting on the
Here,
flowers.
You hold this.
Are you excited by the birdie?
Yes.
Is it pretty? Hang on.
I found it on a sidewalk.
Yeah.
Button.
She found it on the sidewalk and she put it over here. So we ate at the grocery store and now we're shopping and then we saw this cute little free library. It's a thing where you can pick a book, any book you want for free. Take one book or you can leave a book. Then I picked out a book for my daughter and lock it back up. Oh, you want it? Okay, what is it? Oh, what do you see?
That one's the pepper one.
Oh no, there's look at the poor cats. They're getting treated so sad. They're in a little box. But these are all fake. No worries, guys. These are all fake.
$18. Hey, Soraya, look. No, $18. You want to buy a small one?
Oh,
How many?
Hey, look, there's a soft one. Do the mini ones breathe?
Yeah.
Where is it breeding? Oh,
There's like
This
a button on it.
it has a button to make it look like it's breeding. So it's cute. It makes a little sound. She got a little husky.
Alright.
That's her souvenir.
My souvenir present is
Here, let me
adorable.
take them off. Yeah,
What, I rip it off? I mean, I would like that orange cap, but that's a lot of money.
Yeah.
I was just thinking like $20.
Oh, look, there's a rock. There's an ice cream here. That's good.
Oh, look, Mom. I got a messed up one because this year's smaller than the other.
Oh.
It's still cute though.
Valora, if you think you guys are gonna fight over, maybe I should eat too. Oh, now we just got a golf cart. We're gonna go for a ride. Drive a golf cart. To go on this. Vincent can handle this. Hi.
Look, I got a dog. Flower. Look at that.
I know. Seem to be worried.
Look, the birds are flying.
Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Here's the size of the island squirrel. It's a little more chubbier, Vincent.
You see the squirrel that big?
No. And then this is a cute little island dwarf fox. The Catalina island
Mom.
fox.
I get this. I'll pay you that.
Paloma wants to buy this as her souvenir.
That's what I wanted to buy.
Even
that
though we
too.
never saw any yet.
Vincent, the souvenir, he wants to buy some cactus water. Ellen. Vincent, how's that cactus water?
It's good.
It's alright.
Yeah? Does it just taste like plain carbonated water or a little flavor?
Just water with a little flavor.
I really like that.
It tastes almost like the organic fruit punch I was saying I don't like earlier.
Oh. Laura got some Pop Rocks and she got some soda pops. So we're down by the beach now.
Can I place them? I'm gonna place them
And
inside.
on this wall, we saw a bunch of barnacles. Look how much barnacles are in here. All those little bumps are barnacles. This says it's a National Register of Historic Places. This is the Leaping Tuna statue.
After Valera caught it before it rolled to the ground.
Helena found bamboo. And now we're headed to the casino. Now we're here at the casino. the Avalon Theater. Here's the movies that are playing right now. Like a real old-fashioned movie, Belfast, Shrek, and Born Identity. Here's the prices. Yuga. Wow. I'm not saying we can't watch a movie. It's only on Saturday at 6 p.m. and we won't be here. It's only on Saturday and Sunday. No. So at this park, there is something interesting. That you can run, so it can make you feel like you're running on a log. Whoa. We just saw the squirrel. There's 2 of them. They sit on their hind legs and they just stare. So we walked pretty far to go to the bird park. This is what it looks like. It's like a big giant cage with playground structure. But it said former, so it means no more birds are in there. Who knows when they will be back. That was a very big walk. And maybe in these buildings where they used to keep the birds.
I don't think they put the birds in those buildings.
Yeah, we actually thought there would be birds in here. We hopped on a shuttle and we're driving all around to see different things. I feel like this must be the campground over here.
What's that?
Yeah, this must be the tent.
Is it 2 pet squirrels?
Yeah. Yeah, those are the small ones.
I mean, they said that they're bigger than that.
Here is a nature center. Here's the fire station. Bird park. There's the park area again. You thought it was something else?
I like that. I think there was something else.
Now we are in the water, and it is very cold. It really feels like a bucket of ice water. It's so calm. Like here's a pier, we're snorkeling, you know, all kinds of stuff like restaurants. And people go fishing over here too. Wow, a sea otter! I can't believe it. Go get your sandals, guys, before it grabs your shoe.
No, I'm not going over there.
You need to get your shoes, guys.
That's Vincent's shoe.
What? Who saw the sea otter?
We've all saw it.
It popped this
It
little.
was like a big thing, and it came up and it went back under.
Oh, like that one over there hanging out. See that little brown thing up there? Here's Vincent, and we're at the Lloyd's candy shop.
Yeah,
What it was? Lots of sea salt taffies.
Okay, put it back on.
I got this. Like, buy this oil.
Candies. Oh, this is nice how they're already wrapped up, so you don't gotta worry about people like grabbing them with their fingers.
I would just want an ice cream.
I've seen people do it.
Lloyd's and
Harry Potter candy, and there's a chocolate wand.
Mega Bean Woozles.
Yeah.
With the sanitizer flavor.
Ice creams here too. massages. They have some more jelly bellies, and one is a little, looks like a little champagne bottle.
And they have their world famous caramel apples.
Oh look, this is New Zealand.
Yeah, but
Now it's time to say goodbye to Catalina Island. It was a good time.
Maybe people.
Look, here's a memorial wall for all the veterans.
Where's my
What is that, honey?
Where's my towel? The person is right here, but then that's here.
Maybe your sister has it. And we're ending our day with some fast food Chinese. This is very offensive combo. Look at, she has the broccoli and beef and the chow mein. And Vincent has the kung pao chicken and chow mein. Good. Now we're going back on the boat. It's time to go home. It was a good time. Hey, everybody, did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's really fun.
Did you have fun so far, Laura?
Right there. Thank you. Subscribe.
Now we're going home. Now look at the beautiful boats. So now we're in a boat, and now the boat is floating down.
That used to be the best. What if all the lights are flickering? I like the lights are flickering.
So, guys, this is what we're hiking.
Oh.
So this is my boat.
Hey.
And this is the TV. So now we're going to go somewhere else and comment. Subscribe
Maybe you can make Valora the youngest vlogger.
if you like my video. Guys, now we're going home. So now we're gonna end the video. Make sure you comment that, guys.